Okay, back at it again, trying to fix this thing. Well, I say fix because I evidently broke it. Last time we were tearing it all apart, cleaning things up, putting on new thermal paste, and basically trying to undo the wrongs that were done to it by the previous owner. We had the monitor part of it was separated and one of the tabs were broken. The metal screw holes were bent and really messed up. Most things down here were caked in hair and dust and dirt, and the fans were very loud, and it was just in a really bad condition. It's still in bad condition, but hopefully we're making things better. If you remember, we were using my universal Targus laptop charger, and I was doing some reading, and it turns out that these things will sometimes or usually check some sort of chip or voltage, or I don't really understand it, but a lot of people online said that you should be using the factory charger, and sometimes it'll stop charging until it gets a factory charger plugged in. So the reason why it's been so long since an update is because I was waiting for this, an actual Dell. I believe the family was P9E or something like that. It's on here somewhere, I don't remember where. Basically, it's a 240 watt charger, and we needed it. So, at least I think we needed it. I'm hoping we needed it, because I don't want to tear this thing apart anymore and fix maybe the charging port or whatever it was that I broke. So, enough rambling. Let's try this out. So, if this is the answer to our unresponsive charging port, unresponsive power button, the eyes don't light on, you know, all of that, then plugging this in should fix it. I've read that some people said resetting the BIOS, unplugging the battery, stuff like that. So we'll try that next, I guess. Hey, focus. So here we go. Can't see. Well, no lights.
Later that same evening.
So, good news. Been messing with this thing and messing with this thing and messing with this thing. And then it occurred to me, what if the new keyboard wasn't compatible for whatever reason? So I put the old keyboard back in, missing keys and everything. And here we go. We got a charging light. We got a power light. That's weird. Looking at the part numbers, as you can see there, NSKD8C01, NSKD8G1N. So I didn't order this board. It was found with the computer at the junkyard, or the dump rather. So I guess I just took for granted that it was the right one. Evidently it's not. So we can order one and get this thing together. I might also take the liberty and try and find a new trackpad assembly so that it'll, you know, hook on there, considering every single one of these little tabs are missing. So, yay. Let me put this thing back together so it's at least sort of functional. That's where we're going to leave it with this one. In the next episode, after I've installed Windows and some games and stuff, we'll do some benchmarking and see just how much performance this computer still has left to it. If you enjoyed my efforts to resurrect this beast of a PC, consider subscribing if you're not already, and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, well, you waited all the way to the end, so that's kind of weird. Give it a thumbs down if you want. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.